Management gives people legitimate authority over budgets, information, schedules, and employment decisions. The moral rights view reminds managers that authority has ethical limits. Under this approach, conduct is ethical when it respects and protects fundamental human rights. The tradition is associated with the belief that people possess rights to life, liberty, dignity, and fair treatment. In the workplace, moral rights include privacy, due process, consent, health and safety, freedom of conscience, expression, and fair treatment. These rights matter even when ignoring them might make an organization faster or more profitable. For example, secretly monitoring every private employee communication may help management gather information, but it raises privacy concerns. Pressuring someone to accept unsafe work may improve output, but it violates safety and meaningful consent. Punishing an employee without allowing a fair hearing undermines due process. Rights can also conflict. One person's expression may harm another person's dignity or contribute to harassment. Managers cannot resolve these situations by repeating the word rights. They must identify whose rights are affected, distinguish fundamental protections from preferences, and design proportionate boundaries. International operations make the analysis harder because laws and cultural expectations differ. Yet global variation does not erase the idea of basic human dignity. International statements on human rights emphasize equality, conscience, expression, education, decent work, and favorable working conditions. The leadership lesson is that employees and communities are never merely tools for organizational goals. A morally responsible manager asks not only whether a decision produces benefits, but also whether it crosses a boundary that people should not be forced to surrender.